Hi everyone, this is your girl Mrs. Rita F. Brewer. I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm cooking in the kitchen. I'm already started. I'm cooking Potopoto in Ghana, and I want to show you guys the ingredient. My husband and the children, they love this food, and I've been cooking it for about 6 months now. So today I decided to cook, and I want to show you guys the ingredients and cook it for yourself if you like it, and then see if how your children is gonna eat it. So my first ingredients I'm using is I've boiled my meat. So you can use any meat of your choice. You can use dry fish, anything, but I'm using goat and cow. Cut onion, put your seasoning on it, water, let it steam, cook. So this is the first ingredient. The second ingredient I'm using is sliced red plantain, frozen one. So I cut them into small pieces. So you're gonna cut your potato or anything you're gonna use, you're gonna cut them small. So my second ingredient is plantain slice cut. I've cut them small. I'm gonna use sweet potato. I'm using the red one because I love it. It's so sweet. But you can use Irish potato, any potato of your choice you can use, but I like this one. This is the potato I've cut. I'm about to wash. This is the potato. You cut them into small pieces. And then here I have frozen yam, cocoyam. This is cocoyam. This is cocoyam. I'm about to cut them small, same as the potato, the size of the potato. So you want to cut them this size, okay? So I have my cocoyam, and then I have my yam. This is Ghana yam, and this is cocoyam. So I'm gonna cut them. So let's do it. Now I'm gonna wash them. They are all done. I'm just gonna give it a good wash, and then I'm gonna put them in the pot that I've already cooked my meat. I'm just gonna add it to the meat, and I'm gonna add extra water, and I'm gonna allow it to cook. So watch this video to the end. My next is I'm gonna put it in my pepper, my Maggie spice, and then my tomato paste. So the tomato paste, I'm gonna use 1.5 tablespoon. Now I'm gonna stir it or mix everything together and then leave it to cook. Now I'm leaving it for it to cook for 25 minutes just to get soft, and then I'll come back and then we'll see how it goes. We're gonna keep stirring it so the top will go down and then the down will come up, and then it cooks smooth, beautiful, and slow. So let's wait for 25 minutes and I'll be back, okay? Now let's check. It's boiling. Let's stir it up. Now my plantain will come last because the plantain is already soft, so you put in later. I'm gonna use palm nut oil. This is Zomi. This is beautiful palm nut tree. If you don't know what is palm nut tree, go to Google and type in palm nut tree. you will see, or type in African how to make palm nut oil. You will see how they make this beautiful palm nut oil, and that one is going in my dish for today. So stay tuned. Oh guys, I'm gonna change my pot because I'm gonna put in a big pot. It looks like it's gonna go over, so I'm gonna transfer it in a big pot. Okay, some water in my plantain, and I'm gonna add it because I need a little bit of water, and I'm gonna stir it, and I'm gonna allow it to cook. Now I'm gonna add my shrimp powder, or any fish shrimp powder you can put it in, but I love to use a shrimp powder. So I'm gonna put all of them inside because I'm cooking a lot of food. So I'm gonna open it and put all of them inside. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. So I already put my spoon in the water because I don't want it to get sticky. So I'm gonna take only 1, and I'm gonna put in the middle, and I'm gonna allow it to cook before I stir it. This is choice. You don't have to put peanut butter if you have allergies, but it's okay. If you like peanut butter like me, you can do it. If you don't like it, don't try it. Thank you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my palm nut oil. I already have half of it, so I'm just using that. And then when I need more, I'm gonna open the new one that I was showing you guys, and I'll add a little bit to it. See how it's looking? Oh, delicious. Wow, guys, this is done. This is what we call Ghana Potopoto. Now I'm turning the fire down. It's done, it's done, it's done. Yeah. Voila. Potopoto in Ghana is done. Plantain, sweet potato, cocoyam, yam itself, and whatever you want to put in. Any potato you want to put in, you can do. This is perfect, gorgeous Ghana dish. My husband loves it. You can put any fish, dry fish, smoked fish, anything, you can put it inside. So now let me taste it and see. Okay. Let's see. Gorgeous. Don't forget to follow me for more video. God bless you. This is Ghana in Potopoto, and my kids can't wait to come from school and see this. And my husband loves it. Ciao, Bella. Follow me for more.